Cold tonight for sure.
Yeah, we'll allow Mother Nature to take care of them next week. But again, lots of interesting weather. Saw some great rain in Sabine County today. Very encouraged with that. But another chance of storms Thursday, and then a couple of shots of Arctic air. Neil, Casey, I do want to show you the rainfall totals from today. Again, radar indicated, but these radar indicated amounts are pretty close to what we saw. Some of them actually are underestimates of what we saw in the observations, but we saw about an inch in Van Zant County, slightly higher through Wood County. Rains County saw a pretty good dose of rain, but this is where we saw some good rainfall, anywhere from 1 to 2 to 2.5 inches there in St. Augustine County, and then about 1.5 inches in Nacogdoches and Shelby counties. Still seeing some lighter rain moving from southwest to northeast, so might see some light rain, light drizzle for the remainder of the night, but the conditions are just a mess across the deep south and the Midwest. Several inches of snow falling in Kansas. We also have some cold temperatures filtering into Oklahoma, and then major snowstorm across the upper Midwest, severe weather outbreak across the deep south. Here are our temperatures. We have fallen into the upper 40s and 50s. Winds are beginning to increase as well. Look at that, 30-mile-per-hour sustained winds at DFW. That is a preview of things to come tonight, as we will see those winds pick up, and we could see sustained winds between 20 and 30 miles per hour, gusting at times up to 45. Wind advisory, that continues until 6 o'clock tomorrow for that reason. And as we look at Futurecast for the cloud cover, we're still going to see it remaining in place tomorrow morning because the storm system, it will be moving into the northeast, and as a result, the wraparound cloud cover will be moving into East Texas, which means we could stay a bit cooler than what we otherwise would be if we didn't have the clouds, because that is going to protect us from the sunshine. Now, as we head into Wednesday morning, we'll start out clear and we will be cold as a result. Near freezing Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, I do have a few clouds moving in, but that's not going to compare to anything like what we see on Thursday. Partly to mostly cloudy skies Thursday evening, and then rain chances, they pick up back Thursday night. And look how quickly this line of storms intensifies. Storms will be moving from northwest to southeast throughout your Thursday night, out by Friday as colder air begins to move in. Severe weather outlook for Thursday. It is a level 2 slight risk, so we will need to watch out for more severe weather Thursday night. You're going to want to stay tuned to the latest from the East Texas Storm Team on that, because nighttime events, they can be dangerous. So make sure you stay tuned with the latest weather updates. January 14th to January 18th, that gets us to the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, and it looks like not only Friday, but next Sunday night and the Monday, we will see more Arctic air from an Arctic cold front that's going to move in, and that will bring us the coldest air of the season. Next 7 days, here it all is. Thursday night, storm chances into early Friday morning. Will be dry this weekend. Much colder temperatures do arrive early next week. Neil, Casey?
All right, Carson, thank you.